Hey, how's it going? I've been wearing this watch for a while and the strap's all messed up and worn out, so I'm going to go ahead and make a paracord bracelet for it. I've made quite a few in the past here. You can make all different types of patterns, and I usually use these buckles like a typical buckle you would use on a paracord bracelet, but in this case I'm going to go ahead and use some Velcro in order to make it a little bit more slim, a little bit more comfortable. And in order to do that, you just need some Velcro that you can get from Hobby Lobby or Walmart or something like that. A pair of scissors, 2 strands of 6, I would say about 6 foot each. You might get away with 5, but I would say 6 to be safe. A lighter, and you could get away with just one of these little buckles, but I'm going to use 2, and I'll show you why here in a minute. And then a sewing kit, some kind of sewing needle. Really, you could just do that with some scissors. Alright, the easiest way to get the watch straps off is with a little knife or a skinny flathead screwdriver is really one of the best ways, but be careful because that spring will go flying. Alright, so take the first cord and leave one strand about 2 feet long and leave the other one about 4 feet long. Take your tied off thingamabobber here. You want to go from over the strap, push it through, and pull your tag ends through that loop. Tighten it up. Alright, now we're going to do the same thing for the right side. Alright, this is going to be the top part, so I'm going to go ahead and slide the middle 2 strands up over the first bar, under the back side of it, and up out of the bottom there. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter than usual just because I am using Velcro, which will be adjustable. Now we're going to start tying the weave. Let's start with the left so I can make a number 9. See? So make a little 9 with it. Take the right side and pass it through that corner. And up through the hole. And tighten it up. And for this first knot, we're going to get real tight. Now see the vertical knot? You got the horizontal and the vertical going up and down. You're going to start on the one that's vertical every time. So I'm going to start on the right here, go over with the loop, and take the left side and go under and up out of the loop. And now I'm just going to lightly tighten it. Now we're going to go with that left vertical with a loop over the top. Take the other right side and go under and up through. Alright, once we get up to the watch body, you're going to flip it over. Get it as tight as you can with the 2 middle strands. Try to get it centered a little bit. Pull out any slack possible. Now starting with the vertical side, we're going to go over, all the way over to here with a loop. Then take the right side and go through that corner, through the bottom of the corner and up through that loop. Pull out all the slack. And there you have it. Nothing to it. Keep trying to pull out the slack while you do this, because you don't want to leave any gap in between the watch and everything. Alright, so now I guess it looks like the vertical side over here. Yeah, because it started on the left, now it should be on the right side. So I'm going to make a loop right here. Take the left side and go under, up and through. And this one is a little critical to get tight. Alright, now we're going to take this other tag in. Pass our bottom strands through it. And I'm going to pass it through to the next loop here. So let's let that first knot up a little bit. Just pass the strands through it. Tighten it up. Let's skip one and push it through the next one, and then that'll be good. Actually, I'm going to get it through the next one here. Boom. Pull the slack. Tighten those original knots back up. Looks good. Go ahead and cut off first the side tag ends. You can cut them pretty close. Just leave a tiny bit of tag to burn. Go ahead and burn it. Use the lighter to squish it into itself. Same for the other. Once it's good, you can pull it real tight, cut the tags in. It's pretty close because you're going to melt them together. Be a little careful. I'm just trying to get it done quick here. Okay, so that looks perfect to me. Now all we need to do is the Velcro in between. That's where you can sew that all together right there. But alright, so you can sew those two bottom ones together, but once you get it like that, you're pretty good to go. I'll leave a little slack so I can tighten it some more, or loosen it some more. But there it is. You can go back and add the other two under the bar there once you're done. It'll make it look a lot nicer around the edges there. It's not too bad. Cool.